7, 1915. During World War I, a torpedo from a German submarine sinks the Lusitania off the coast of Ireland. Nearly 1,200 people aboard the British ocean liner, including 128 Americans, are killed. The sinking helps push the United States into joining the war against Germany 2 years later. 1945. End of World War II in Europe as Nazi Germany signs an unconditional surrender at Allied headquarters in France. The Allies officially celebrate the Nazi defeat the following day. 1954, in Southeast Asia, the Battle of Dien Bien Phu ends as Vietnamese insurgents overrun French forces after a 55-day siege. In Washington, Secretary of State John Foster Dulles foreshadows America's long and costly involvement in Vietnam during the next 2 decades.
Epic battle is ended. A great causes as before now been won out of lost battle.
1840. Composer Peter Ilyich Tchaikovsky, whose ballets include Swan Lake, Sleeping Beauty, and The Nutcracker, is born in Russia. And 1941. Big band leader Glenn Miller and his orchestra record the swing-era hit Chattanooga Choo-Choo. Today in history, May 7th. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.